Hello everybody, in this particular video I am going to discuss about these are the type of people who never crack GPAT. So these are some example I am telling from my experience from the last 1.5 year. So I see a lot of students. So from that experience I am going to tell you the students who are not able to crack GPAT. So the students who are having starting trouble in the preparation. That means these are the students who always think about GPAT but they never start. For example, some students will think to start GPAT preparation by second year ending. But when time comes to second year ending, they think that okay, this is very early, I will start GPAT preparation by third year ending. So like this, they have starting trouble. That means they always postpone. If you are the student who are having lot of starting trouble, it is not possible to crack GPAT because you have the procrastination. If you do that, it is not possible to crack GPAT, right? So that is the reason the students who are having the starting trouble, they can't able to crack GPAT exam. So if you have the person who have starting trouble, what you can do? You can go to your teacher or you can go to your senior and you get some guidance or awareness about this, and you can try to avoid this starting trouble, and by using some techniques and strategies you can do your preparation so it is possible to crack. Another thing of students I seen who are not able to crack GPAT, this is called over excitement students. That means, for example, if they see any student who cracked GPAT, they went to them and they will get lot of guidance, and they will go to their teachers, they will get guidance about the GPAT, everything, this is fine. And they also join some coaching institute. I seen 2 to 3 students in my career also this war excitement students. That means what they do, they will join coaching institute, they will buy all books for GPAT, and they do puja also, they will keep all books, everything in the shelf very carefully. They never even read. And I seen some over excitement students also, they think that if you buy a book or if you join some coaching institute, you definitely get the rank. This is the over excitement. No, if you join any coaching institute or if you join in any book, you're not possible to get rank until you read very well, right? So this kind of over excitement should be avoided. And I seen other kind of over excitement students. That means initially when they join coaching institute or when they contacted me, they read 10 hours, 15 hours, 20 hours, even day per day for GPAT. I seen like these people also. So they read like anything, but they read for 1 week. After 1 week, they don't even in touch with us like this. So this kind of over excitement should be avoided. So okay, it is good to buy books, it is good to join coaching institute you like, it is good to get guidance, it is good to read 10 hours, 15 hours per day, but it should not be happen. So you can see if you're starting GPAT preparation, initially it requires less preparation, gradually you need to be increase the preparation. But what happens is over excitement students, they do high preparation in the initial days because the days not require high amount of preparation like 10 to 15 hours or 5 hours also not required. 1 hour is required in the initial days, but this over excitement make them to read for 15 to 20 hours, 10 hours, after that they leave this. So if you are the person like this, it is not possible to crack. So what you can do? You can go to your senior or teacher, or you can also ask like mentors like me or any other and try to avoid this. So and you get good rank. So another thing that this over excitement student, this kind of people also I seen, they never read it for GPAT exam, they don't know about GPAT, but they suggest the teachers to what to read, what to teach, what not to teach also. So this kind of thing should not be done. You should need to be learned, so you should be ask the teacher. And last and final, the students who are able to crack GPAT, what is some quality in them? So this is some quality I find in them. So I can say they not have starting trouble and over excitement. So that means over excitement means in the initial days of preparation they never read for 2 hours, like 5 hours, 6 hours per day. But what they do in initial preparation, they read 1 hour like this. So slowly they will start, gradually they increase the speed. So and at the same time they follow the study and constant preparation. Lot of students not have this one. They never do study and constant preparation. They do preparation like anything, and because of this they are not able to crack. So if you want to crack GPAT exam, you should not have starting trouble, you should not have over excitement, and you should read, study and slowly. So slow and steady win the race. That means when you are going further, you need to be increase the speed, as you need to be increased. Until that date you should read slow and steady, and but consistently. That means if you are reading today, tomorrow also you need to be read, day after tomorrow also you need to be read. If you read today and tomorrow if you stop, it is not possible to crack GPAT exam. So I hope you understand. There is the type of people who never crack